we are gonna do a Reddit recap because I haven't done any of these in a while. I've been demotivated, very. So I haven't done a whole lot. You might have noticed I haven't uploaded in like 2 days, but we're gonna get back into it. I'm gonna read your Reddit posts on r/Casey King, the best subreddit in the world, especially for Valorant. If you guys watch any Valorant, if you like to post things, if you like to post cool things that you see, you want to get feedback on, you want people to comment, you can do that. So I'm gonna go through it right now, and we're gonna talk about those things. Okay, sweet. Also, as Bappo likes to link, if you wanted to sub to the Patreon, support the channel and stuff, we will be doing a tournament at 50 patrons. We haven't hit it yet. I've been saying this for like a month. We haven't hit it yet. We're at like 25 or something like that. But if we hit 50, I will run a tournament. All the patrons will be able to play in it. We'll have like a prize pool and stuff. It'll be fun. It'll be a good experience for you guys. So, okay, an unintentional spot that I found in Icebox. Let's look at this. What is this guy doing? What's his unintentional spot? I've seen some cool Jett locations. Oh, he's got a lineup. Interesting. I don't think there's a lot of uses for this. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know if there is. I feel like you could just stand on the crate next to it, like right there, and like peek the same angle. But I guess it's interesting. You get to stand on this pixel. If you find a good way to use this is dope, man. Maybe somebody's like walking underneath the thing and they won't look above them because you're in this like weird spot. Like like the one-off scenario, somebody wants to like walk underneath you and you're like sitting up here. I guess it'd be kind of cool. A little bit of an off angle, I guess, for exits. Yeah, maybe. It's not useless. It's a little. I'm trying to think of applicable scenarios, and then I don't have a lot. That's all I'm saying. But it's cool. You can stand on this pixel. It's cool to learn. Have you seen any of those Jett dashes yet? Where like Jett can just dash into the air on like different maps. Ascent Jett dash spot. There was a YouTuber who posted it. If you know who I'm talking about, what's his name? Something Noodle. How to Noodle? Yeah, it's that guy. He's got some cool like Jett dash spots. How to Noodle. Yeah, this guy. Jett super dash tutorial. He uploaded a tutorial yesterday. That's good because I wanted to know how to do this and I couldn't figure out how to do it. So he uploaded a tutorial for us. So now we can figure out how to do it and I can show it to you.
And you can also read second draft, see the link as well, and sites obviously. So that's a really cool one. The time is a little bit tough.
He's not a fast talker. I sped it up to 2 times speed. But yeah, like you guys see what I mean. You can jump up to like freaking above everything. Like what the heck is this location? Like what in the world? Anyway, I want you to do this so they patch it so I don't see it in my games, you know? So that's your mission. Hi King, an amazing Reddit community. I'm messaging to share my opinion on ranked. I know most won't care, but genuinely I think people in ranked need to be a lot kinder to more open to playing support, sentinels, and info as a backup, because if you tilt me, the large majority of the ranked community is a locked duelist like Yoru and Reyna because they want decent agents. Even on Phoenix and Jett, it will be helpful if they do their job. So fall. I'm really bad at reading things. I'm gonna be honest. I was like that kid in school when they were like, the teacher's like, anyone want to read? And I was always like offering, like, I'll read, but people hated it when I would read because I would like, I would just like, I would stutter because I kind of have a stutter a little bit, and like I would just like, I would kind of like slur my words and like, oh fuck, the King's reading right now, yeah. But no, like I get what he's saying. He's just complaining about duelists like baiting and shit. I had a clip in my video today where I was playing Brimstone and I was like, hey, are we gonna flash? Like let me find it just for reference. We're pushing garage, you know, we're chilling. I'm playing Brimstone, right? Everyone else locked duelist. I was like, fine, I'll play controller. So I'm playing Brimstone. We got a Raze, Jett, and Arena. Dordan's playing on Sova. That's our duo. We push up. I throw down a stim beacon. Can we get entry? We got flash or anything? Can we get a flash? Get one of the duelists. Can you use your Roomba? Can you do something? Please don't make me walk in as Brimstone. Like, can we please? One of the 3 people who locked in, they want to engage. Can you engage, please? No, I dropped the smokes. I did my job. I got the opening pick. I just wanted them to go in, dude. It took years to set this up. I'm like, fucking go. No, but I think Bappo linked it the other day too. It was Steele who tweeted out. We were talking about it on stream. He was like, I don't understand why people want to pick Jett and like they want to pick Jett and Reyna and Raze when there's literally agents made for baiting. If you want to bait, play Sova or Cypher or Killjoy or anything else. Don't play a duelist and sit back and wait for me to go in. This is the tweet. If you really want to bait, Sova and Sentinel agents are literally designed for you. If you get to sit back, watch flanks, and let your teammates do all the work while you lurk and play post plans. Want to hide in U-Haul doing nothing? Killjoy and Cypher Cypher over Jett for this. Promise. It's just like, dude, literally Sova is the best agent in the game, and yet nobody plays him in ranked because they want a triple baiting duelist. They log Yoru, freaking Reyna, Raze, and then they just don't do anything for the entirety of the game. It drives me absolutely freaking nuts. Do your job. I agree with this. Yes, preach. Drives me nuts. Makes me angry. I need 4 more people to respond to this survey. It would be a big help. It's 4 questions and a survey about your Valorant role. Okay, yeah, I'll fill this out. Let's respond to a survey, dude. Everyone go respond to a survey right now. Here's a survey. Go respond to it. What role do you play most? I play mostly duelist controller. I'm gonna lock duelist right now because I've been playing a lot of Yoru though. So we'll do the duelist. What game genre did you come from? I came from MOBAs. I did play a little bit of FPS, but I came mostly from MOBAs. Which one do you consider yourself? Definitely an introvert. I feel very introverted. I might seem extroverted because I stream and I talk to you guys when I'm not talking to you guys. And people who like Lucas and like Waffles and stuff can attest to this. Like after the call, like after the stream ends, I'm just dead. I'm just so drained. I just sit there and I'm quiet and I don't really say a whole bunch. I'm just very quiet, dude. I'm introverted. How much do you communicate in game? I'm very communicative and am often the team's in-game leader. I communicate a lot of information to my team. Sometimes I call strats, but not often. I do call strats here and there. I don't like to, so I'm gonna choose the second one. I do find myself IGLing because I think that's what you have to do to win. However, I don't like to, so I often take sometimes don't do a whole lot unless I'm asked to. And if people ignore me, I definitely stop. There's often like I'll literally be saying like I'll be calling and then people will be ignoring me. I'll be like, "Are you ignoring me?" And then they don't respond. I'm like, "Okay, fine, we could just give up." Pizza rolls is a very common phrase after stream. Pizza rolls are dope, dude. I don't even eat that many pizza rolls, but I do make some popcorn chicken. I make some fire popcorn chicken. So instead of buying a frozen pizza, because I always make frozen pizza at night, but then I have a whole fucking pizza and I can't eat the whole thing, right? I eat like 2 slices and then I like have half a pizza. And I'm like, what do I do? I have this half the pizza. I guess I can cook half the pizza. I could cut it in half and throw the other half back in the freezer, but that would be a little weird. But like, that would be big brain actually. Maybe I should try that. No, but I bought a pizza sandwich now, and that's what I'm gonna make next time and see how that goes. You know, it's not full pizza, it's like a pizza sandwich. Well, we'll give that a shot. But Valorant 2.01 bugs to be aware of. Just went through Valorant. I don't care about bugs. I'm sorry, homie. This is a good post if people care about. Wait, oh, this is by Ryan. Maybe I'll read it. Sorry, Ryan. Enter your Cypher cam too quickly. I have seen this, dude. Cyphers will be unable to move. They'll literally get out of their cam. It's as bad as when they got locked in their cam. They'd be sitting on the cam and it's like, Cypher, stop baiting. He's like, I can't. You should not, I repeat, should not press the map key and your spike plant key at the same time. This will provide you an advantage by planting the spike silently. You definitely should not do this, as Riot will most likely patch this out. Yeah, this is a bug right now in the game where apparently if you press the map key and then you try to plant, it doesn't make a noise. Let's go test this. All right, see, we have spike in hand. When we go to plant right now, it makes noise. Apparently, if I press M, I have to hold the spike first, maybe? How do I plant? How do I do it, Ryan? What do I press? It won't. Let me move. No. It won't work. 4 and M. Press them at the same time. It's definitely making noise. So he didn't make a noise. I'm doing it with the same hand. It's not a timing issue. I'm doing them both at the same time. Oh! Oh! I got it! Maybe it was a timing issue. No, go on the enemy teammates can't hear it. Yeah, we know they can't hear it. I couldn't hear it when I was on my team. What are you talking about, dude? It literally doesn't matter. This is the whole point. That's what we're saying. They can't hear it. Like, we can't hear it when it's being planted. Yeah, it's a bug. He's saying the enemies can hear it. Well, he said the enemies can't hear it right there. So maybe he's saying that, but I don't believe that. We could go test it, I guess. We could load back in. We could do it all again. I don't think that's true though. I don't think you did it. If you did it, I could totally hear that. Okay, that totally made a noise. You did it? Okay, I guess it doesn't work then. You're right, Bubble Boy. I'll give you VIP, homie. VIP, Bubble Boy Gaming. You want it.
my way.
Okay, we just myth busted that one at least. Flash equals assist. I think Valorant should make it so when you flash someone, your team gets a kill with a flash. It should be an assist. Yeah, Elementrix was talking about this on a stream yesterday, dude. Why don't you get an assist when you flash somebody? It's so freaking weird. Like, what in the world? You're flashing people, you're not getting an assist? That's real odd, homie. That's real odd. The dude's like full blind. You don't get an assist? It is an assist. No, apparently not. If Elementrix says it isn't, then I'm going to believe him. I'm going to believe him. If Elementrix is telling me that it doesn't, because you flashed your teammate too. Oh, true. This is an iron ace. Let's see it.
Enemy down. Reloading.
Incredible. You can kill people with the ghost. I didn't know that gun actually got kills. I thought that it just outlined your target when you shoot at them. The poor Reyna. They just let her run in. They just let her run in alone. She didn't even bother clearing Jett. Feels bad, man. Jett's flying around and shooting. Honestly, this doesn't look that much different than my plat games. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. They lost the spike mid. That's a normal plat game. Yeah, your team's on A site. Spike gets dropped in mid. One in the world, guys. How did we lose that over there?
One enemy remaining.
Dude, standing in Narnia. I hate that angle because it's hard to headshot people right there. Pinging. Go plant. You plant. I cover. She plants in tube where you can't cover it. Oh no. What is the Jett doing? She runs inside the tube. Like, let me just go to the one location where you can't cover me when I'm planting. This is a good ace stuff. Good ace. Oh yeah, somebody posted this on the Reddit. This one was really cool actually. They took my voice and they made like a lo-fi song out of it. Just because you win with 5 duels does not mean it's meta. This is something that we've talked about before on the channel. Just because something works doesn't mean it was good or right or smart or any of those things. It's actually a pretty catchy song. That was my voice. That's a phrase that I've used. It's like, it's relaxing, dude. Feels like something I would like fall asleep to, you know? Like, I just take a nap while like listen to this song. So this was made by Chicken Wings, I think. Pretty good. It's like 3 minutes long. We're not gonna listen to the whole thing, but yeah, it's a vibe. I appreciate it. He does this with a lot of other songs. He did it with like a Sykkuno quote or whatever, and like a couple other things. It's kind of cool. I don't want to scroll past Bubble Boy's post. Bubble Boy, where's your post, man? Let's find it. Find it. Oh, this is Digi's post. Nuttiest shot of his life. Let's see Digi's shot. Okay. Okay. I mean, like, it makes sense because like his logic is that he pre-fired over here and he didn't kill her. So I guess she must be over here, right? So he transfers over here. That was a good transfer, dude. That's pretty good. I mean, I've seen better, you know, but it's pretty good. I'm just hoping Digi's here in chat. They're just talking about something else.
Oh my god.
Are you actually freaking serious?
Hardest cuphead boss.
I think they're
Hardest
British.
cuphead
Their
boss,
British
the
accent
grim
makes it a little bit
matchstick
better.
and
I think they're British.
Amazing.
What a shot.
Thanks.
Amazing. Fantastic.
Standing.
Oh my
Are you
god.
actually freaking serious?
Are you serious? I wish people in NA raged like this. I don't know. Maybe this is kind of mean, but I'm just like if that was like the rage in NA versus like UK Ireland, like are you serious? Like, where in NA it's like they're just throwing profanity all over the place. They're just like, are you serious?
Hardest cuphead boss, grim matchstick and king dice.
He lands the shot. He's really happy. I like it. I respect it. Are you serious? Man, that's just so wholesome. Anyway, though, if you guys want to post on the Reddit, get your clip reviewed by me, do the things. Go over to r/Casey King. We haven't done this in a minute, but that's okay. I wanted to look at your posts. Do the things. Also follow the channel on YouTube if you haven't done that. That helps us out. That maybe we can eventually stop losing YouTube subs. That'd be kind of cool. I rage by holding my head in my hands in exasperation. Here's, wait, what's the meme? Not like this. Is that it? I made the skateboard. Wait. Let me go back. Wait, this is actually sick. I like it has the paranoia effect right here, and then there's the ultimate too. That's kind of cool. Holy shit! Look out! Look at the V too. This is the V that all the girls want from the guys, like the sexy V that everyone's looking for. from like the dudes when they work out. Omen's got it. Omen's got it. Oh, this looks sick. I wish I was better at skateboarding. I had a longboard for a little bit. It's kind of fun, but it was never very good. I watched a Tony Hawk tweet the other day. Let me find this. Yeah, it was right here. I thought this was sick. I also think it's crazy how they just land on their knees. Like, this is just what they do. Like, that feels like that would be, like, not good for your body. But he just does this consistently. He's got pads, I know that. But, like, it feels like that would still not be good for you. Tony Hawk has got to be old, dude. This is it, I think. Isn't that sick? He just throws the board. He's amped. And then, like, even when he's not falling, even when he's jumping down, that's just how he jumps down. Just on his knees. Oh, man.
Holy fuck.
Jeez. This is dope. That's so sick.